What's up, everybody? Today we're going to learn Low High by the Black Keys. I'll break down each section riff by riff and chord by chord the best way we can. Let's get started. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking as well as subscribing. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want some exclusive content, head over to the website and sign up for the newsletter. Those links will be in the description. Let's get started. All right, so let's talk about this opening riff here. It's based out of A minor pentatonic, and it's not terribly difficult. Here's how it goes. We're going to start here, our 3rd fret 6th string with our index. Then we're going to go 5th fret 6th string with our 3rd finger. And then we're going to go 3rd fret 5th string with our index. And then we're going to go 5th fret 5th string with our 3rd finger. And when we get there, we're going to slide forward without plucking. So it's going to go. And we're going to slide up to the 7th fret 5th string. So that's. Then we're going to go index, 5th fret 4th string, and then 3rd finger, 7th fret 4th string, and then we're going to go back to our 5th fret 4th string, 7th fret 4th string, 5th fret 4th string, and then we're going to slip our index finger to the 5th fret 3rd string, play that one, and then we're going to come back with our 3rd finger to the 7th fret 4th string. So that whole thing is. Alright, I'm using all downstrokes with my right hand right now. So it's slide to the 7th, 5th on the 4th, 7th on the 4th, 5th on the 4th, 7th on the 4th, 5th on the 4th, 5th on the 3rd. You can give it a little, if you want to give it a little flair, little quarter step bend, and then 7th fret on the 4th string. So that's slide. We'll do it one more time. Yeah, and if you're comfortable with that, go ahead and throw that in there. You can give it a little rock and roll attitude. You can even play both of these, the 5th fret 3rd and the 5th fret 2nd string. So you'd end up with something like. And then you can do a little vibrato on the 7th fret 4th string if you want. Okay, that opening riff happens 4 times. So when you get to the verse, you've got a 1-finger A power chord. You're going to put your index finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, and you're going to pluck the 5th and the 4th together. Alright, it should sound like this. Alright, now one thing you have to kind of get used to if you haven't done before is a palm muting. So we've got this bridge right back here, right? We're going to put this part of our palm up against it, just like this, alright? And what that does is it creates a muted sound. And every once in a while they kind of lift up. But if you're more comfortable just doing it open without that, you can. If you feel like you can do the palm muting, then go for it. I'm going to play it with the palm muting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, those 2 chords are D power chord and a C power chord. I'm going to use 3-finger power chords here. So our D5 power chord is our index finger on the 5th fret 5th string, our 3rd finger on the 7th fret 4th string, and our 3rd finger on the 7th fret 3rd string. The C is the exact same shape based off the 3rd fret 5th string. So you're going to go, and you slide down and pluck it again. So it's pluck, slide, pluck. Pluck, slide, pluck, slide, pluck. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. That little riff happens 8 times each time you have the verse. Then you've got the chorus riff, which is based off of a bend out of A minor as well. So we're going to bend the 7th fret 3rd string with our 3rd finger. We're going to bend up a whole step and back down. What that is, a whole step bend means it needs to sound like 2 frets forward. A whole step down or up on the guitar is 2 frets. So you're looking for that sound, but with a bend. Okay? So we're going bend, up, and back down. And if your 3rd finger isn't quite strong enough, you can put your middle back here and get a little bit of an extra push. And you really want to push down on the part of your finger where it hurts the most, all right? If you push with the flat part right here, you definitely won't get it. So it's... And then you're going to go back to the 5th fret 3rd string, 7th fret 3rd string, 5th fret 3rd string. So let's go through that again. You've got bend. So that's bend on the 7th fret, whole step bend up, back down, 5, 7, 5, all on the 3rd string. That's all on the 3rd string. And then you're going to go to a G5 power chord, same shape as we did for the D and the C. We're going to go our index on the 3rd fret 6th string, 3rd finger on the 5th fret 5th string, and our pinky on the 5th fret 4th string. And we're going to do 4 strums. Down, up, slide, down. So it's down, up, slide, down. If the down ups are too much, you could do just downs. It's a simple little rock thing. So it's strum, 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 slide, strum, 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 slide, strum. Then you go back. That's the first time. Then you go back and you do the riff again. And then you just do 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 5th fret. And you don't have to slide. When you do the slide, you got to move them all together at the same time. But the second time, you don't need it. So the whole chorus riff is... straight ahead, like rock and roll right there. That's why the song's cool. Okay, so that leaves us with the guitar solo to learn. He's definitely got like an octave pedal on there, like a pog or a whammy pedal or something, but we're just going to learn it as is. If you have one of those pedals, you can get a little closer to the tone he's using on the recording, but we're just going to learn it as is. The solo itself is based out of, once again, A minor pentatonic, kind of the Holy Grail scale. And it's going to be up here based out of the 17th position. All right, so the first part of the guitar solo is a lot like the bend that happened in the first part of the chorus, except for we're going to bend on the 19th fret 3rd string, and we're going to go whole step bend, and then we're going to go back to the 17th fret, 19th fret, and then back to the 17th fret. Just like we did down here. Except we're doing it up here for the solo. So, and then we're gonna go 19th fret, 4th string, and you're gonna go. And what happens there is he goes 19, 19 on the 4th string, 17 on the 4th string, 19 on the 4th string, and then back to 17 on the 3rd string. So that's the first bit. And then he does it again. That little same riff, and then he goes. So that part is you're gonna bend the 20th fret of the 2nd string, and you're gonna do a whole step bend, and then you come back down, and then you go twice. So you do that twice. And then you go back to the 17th fret 2nd string. So it's 20th fret, back down, pluck on the 20th fret bend, and then So it's first half of the solo. All right, second half of the solo starts the same way as the first half. And then you do it again. And then that last little bit, the only change there is that he's going to go 20th fret, 2nd string, back down to the 20th. That was a bend. That was a bend there. And then he goes back up, full step bend on the 20th. Just like that. All right, that's everything you guys need to learn the song. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate the support. Don't forget to head over to the website and sign up for the newsletter. We'll see you next time.